Senegalese President Macky Sall says the strong US dollar is posing a risk to the West African country's economy, which has already been hit by a drop in tourist numbers because of the Ebola outbreak. The dollar's recent strength is pushing up prices of consumer goods and has cancelled out the benefits of the drop in global oil price.
In general, our economies are still dependent on the West. We import more than we export, and it's done in dollars. One of the most important products that we import is oil. And for countries like Senegal, the low oil price has boosted the dollar, which limits imports for our economies.
Sall noted that the current trade imbalance highlights the need for countries in West Africa to move up the value chain to produce higher quality goods and not just rely on exporting raw materials. Senegal had to pay an extra 127,440 on a coupon payment for its 2024 Eurobond earlier this month due to the strong dollar.
La fièvre Ebola a causé d'importantes
The Ebola outbreak has had negative consequences on African economies, especially those countries that were directly affected by it. It affected their economies, healthcare systems, and also hit neighboring countries like ours. Although we only had one case of Ebola which we managed to treat, we felt the consequences, especially in tourism. We are assessing the consequences of the Ebola outbreak, and we will see how we can help the tourism sector.
Nous sommes en train d'évaluer ses conséquences et des mesures sont en cours.
Senegal, which has never suffered a coup, is considered as one of West Africa's most stable democracies. It emerged as a key regional hub in the decade after Côte d'Ivoire's conflict erupted in 2002, though some investors are now eyeing a return there to take advantage of Abidjan's post-conflict revival. The Senegalese president says his government is looking at ways of reviving tourism, even with concerns of the Ebola outbreak continue to ease. Macky Sall has promised a 10-year tax break for any new investments in the sector and is also looking at ways to slash the price of airfares by cutting taxes. Kiyo, CCTV.